Hopdeals.com are pleased to offer reference number 84, this 2014 64 Reg DAF LF 45160. The 7.5 ton truck has a Euro 5 engine and manual gearbox. Has a Solomon fridge van with front and rear compartments and internal moving division. Also benefits from a tuck-away rear tail lift. This one has covered only 128,000 kilometres and is tested until the end of August 2019. If you'd like further details on this or any other equipment, please contact Hop Deals on 01430 434 800, email us sales@hopdeals.com, or check out all the latest stock on our website hopdeals.com.